Create an eerie see-through ghost photo using just a single image. This Photoshop tutorial is great for beginners and will show you how to quickly create a ghost photo using just one image. To follow this tutorial, you'll need Photoshop CS5. Start by opening any photo into Photoshop. It's best to use a photo with a simple background. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl-J or Command-J on a Mac. Rename this layer to Ghost, then click on the visibility icon to hide it for now. We're going to start by removing the girl from the background layer. This is a much quicker process now with the new Content-Aware Fill feature in Photoshop CS5. I'll show you how this works later. Select the background layer, then create a selection of the girl. You don't have to be too precise with the selection, depending on the background. There are many ways of creating a selection, and since we don't have to be too precise about it, I'm just going to use the lasso tool and create a selection like this. Here's where the magic happens. Go to Edit, Fill, choose Content Aware from the drop-down menu, then click OK. Photoshop will remove the selected area, and it's almost like magic. Deactivate the selection by pressing Ctrl or Command-D. There are a few flaws in the Content-Aware Fill that Photoshop just did, so we're going to fix this with the Clone Stamp tool. The Clone Stamp tool works by copying one area of an image to another. First, you need to pick the area to copy from. To do this, select the Clone Stamp tool, then hold down the Alt or Option key, then click on an area that you want to use as the clone source. If you need to change your brush size, you can right-click anywhere in the document window to bring up the brush settings. Next, click on the areas that you want to fix, like this. Keep repeating this process until you get most artifacts gone. We're done with the background layer. Select the ghost layer and make it visible by clicking on the visibility icon. Before we proceed, we're going to make the image black and white. Click on the New Adjustment Layer button, then choose Black and White. Select Red Filter from the drop-down menu. You can also use this tool here to directly pick the areas you like to adjust. For example, to make the wall darker, just click on the wall and drag to the left. Next, we're going to increase the contrast. Click on the New Adjustment Layer, then choose Brightness Contrast. Adjust the contrast to your likings. We're now going to make the girl look like a ghost. Before we do this, right-click on the Ghost layer, then choose Convert to Smart Object. Now that the layer is a smart object, we can apply smart filters. Smart filters allow you to go back and change the filter settings anytime you like. Go to Filter, Distort, Diffuse Glow. Set the graininess setting to 0, then adjust the settings so that you get something like this. Click OK.